Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so, a bit of news for my fellow Pixel fanatics out there. And it seems to be that this is an ongoing issue that's being talked about. But apparently, the January update on Google Pixels seems to have some Pixel owners not able to use their device. Now, this is something that they're talking about, that they're wondering why this is not, you know, talked about, I guess, with Google and Team Pixel and whatnot. Um, Google is aware of it. They do know that this is an issue with the security update. So nothing has been said about a fix. Now, that's not to say that they're not working on a fix, but nothing is being communicated. A lot of people basically find their devices not able to be used, and it's not biased to a particular Pixel phone. So the Pixel 5, the 5a, the 6, 6a, 7, 7a, those devices can be affected by this issue. And what actually happens is that it renders your phone useless. You're not able to do anything on your device. You're not able to get into it whatsoever. The only fix so far that has been announced, which thanks to Pixel users, they are the ones that's coming forward on places like Reddit and other chat forums to let other people know what they did to fix their device. And that is just simply doing a factory reset. Basically, to do that, you want to hold the power button until the phone completely turns off. And then what you'll do is, with the phone in a completely off state, you will hold the power button and the volume up button. So I'll do that here for you guys right now so you guys can kind of just see what it's going to look like when you do it. But you would hold the power button just to get it to completely shut down. Once it's down, you will hold the power and volume up, I believe, and that should get you into the bootloader. I think it's volume up or it's volume down. I think it's volume down. Hang on. All right, so we'll hold the power and volume down. And we'll wait until the screen gets to that point. Try to do this with your hands. There you go. Once you get here, so it's power and volume down, but once you get here, then you would basically use the volume and the volume rocker and just toggle to recovery mode, hit the power button. Once once you do that, you'll see this. And all you got to do is hold the power button, you hold it down and just tap volume up and let go. Now you're in recovery. From here, you would actually select basically to wipe data and factory reset, which I am not going to do. And once you do that, it will completely wipe the phone and it will boot back up where you'll have to re-sign into everything. If you have backups, you'll have to restore your backups. If you don't, then you just do like a fresh install of everything, and that will fix the issue. So with that being said, I just wanted to kind of help get the word out on just how to fix that issue if you're experiencing it. So if you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks so much for checking out the video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.